Hey guys, what's welcome back to my channel Lane to Keeping, and welcome back to the third nope welcome back to the second day of Road to Subtin on a 3x3. And guys, this is the second day, and yesterday I've been practicing quite a lot, but I didn't focus on any algorithms for PLL or OLL. I practiced on mainly look ahead and slow turning. So as I told you guys, look ahead is really important while getting to sub 10. It's like one of the most important things, and especially at the F12 stage as well. The whole night yesterday I was just practicing up on slow turning and look ahead, so I think I got it down. So I'm slowing my turning style just for the cross and the F12, but for OLL and PLL I'm trying to like spam as much moves as possible. So that is my method of solving now, just spamming it for OLL and PLL and just like focusing on look ahead for F12. So that is my method right now, which I'm planning to do. And yesterday we got an average of 15.87, which is not at all good. I believe that I can get a better average than that. I don't know why did I get such a bad average for that sort, but then yeah, this video I'll be practicing more about look ahead and slow turning, and that's the only way I can like improve at 3x3. But then I might like learn a few more PLLs on camera as well, so stay tuned for that. So let's just start doing some solves. So guys, I'm just gonna start with an average of 5, and then I might make it an average of 12 later on. So let's start solving. So guys, I just finished up an average of 5, and I got an average of 5 of 13.9 seconds, which is way better than yesterday's. Yesterday I got like a 15.84 something over there, and today I got already a sub 14. So that's a huge step up to the game, and I got 118. And 18 is quite bad since I did 2 look OLL and then I messed up on F12 pass, so that was like my fault. But then overall that was a solid average. It wasn't anything close to even a sub 10. But then, so I think that I'm just going to continue with another average of 5, and I think I'm just going to end the video by learning some PLLs. So yeah, I'm just going to continue back to some solves. So guys, this is the second average of 5 which I'm going to do, and I hope I get like some sub 10 or something, or maybe like even close to a sub 10, maybe just like a sub 11, so it's fine. Yes, that was a sub 13, a 12.94, which is really good. I hope I get like something like that. Is there a D in F? Oh, okay. So guys, I just got 11.94. I'm not gonna add the plus 2 though. I got 11.94, which is a sub 12, which is actually really good. Another 11, got 11.96, which is actually really good. And yeah, that's the end of our sub 5 session. So guys, I just finished up with an average of 10, and now my average is 13.10, which is actually really good because I got 2 11s, I think. Yeah, I got 2 11s. One was a plus 2, but I didn't really consider that. So I got 2 11s, which is better than yesterday, but then it doesn't really to the sub 10 marks. I hope I get something closer towards like a 10.5 or sub 11. That is my goal for the next episode, but then I'm gonna end this video by learning some parallels as well. So guys, with like around 15 minutes of learning, I studied one parallel algorithm, that is the GBPerm, and I studied that within like 15 minutes because I already knew like what was the GBPerm. I already studied, but then I studied it from a way that I should do it with my left hand and not with my right hand. So I studied how to do the GBPerm with my right hand now, because it will be such a time saver, because while I'm doing the GBPerm, I don't have to like do some cube rotations or anything like that. I can literally just go to the perm there itself. I'm going to show you guys how's GBPerm. I studied like 15 minutes ago, so I'm not like really perfect with it, but then let's see, something like that, and that. Yeah, that's it. That's the GBPerm. And I already know this perm. I think that's a GA or a GB. That's not a GB, but it's a GA, I think. Not really sure, but then I'm gonna end the video right there. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel AMT Gaming, as well as my gaming channel AMT Gaming, and hit the notification bell so that you guys wouldn't miss my future uploads. We'll see you next time. Peace.